Atensyon sa tarang Bisaya nga gusto mo larga sa Germany, Spain, Switzerland, and Canada. Ana ay final interview din sa Sugbo, sa Bohol, ug sa San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. Only 300 applicants will be selected. Ang mapili sa interview kay dapat magpa-medical exam dayon. Tawag lang sa 0910-152-6747 kang Emmy sa dugang impormasyon. Mao ni ang schedule sa interview. January 11, 8 a.m., Karkar City, Cebu. Venue, Karkar Eco Farm, Glass Hall, Villa Anunang, Liburon, Karkar City, Cebu. Register at this link, https://signup.center/2HIA05.cc. January 11, 4 p.m., Naga City, Cebu. Venue, Val Hall, Naga City Hall, Naga City, Cebu. Register at this link, https://signup.center/2HICA6.cc. January 13, 8 a.m., Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Venue, AV Hall, Holy Name University, Johnson Heights, Dampas District, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Register at this link, https://signup.center/2HJ007.cc. January 14, 9 a.m., Cebu City. Venue, 15th floor, The Excelsior Tower, 168 R. Duterte Street, Banawa, Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City. Landmark, 100% Cafe. Register at this link, https://signup.center/2HJ286.cc. February 19, 1 p.m., Cebu City. Venue, 15th floor, The Excelsior Tower, 168 R. Duterte Street, Banawa, Barangay Guadalupe, Cebu City. Landmark, 100% Cafe. Register at this link, https://signup.center/214HA7.cc. Alang sa dugang kasayuran o pangutana, tawag ni Emmy sa 0917-152-6747.